Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll be talking about what is Instagram and how to use it. Let's get started. Instagram is a popular social media platform that allows users to share photos, videos and stories. It is widely used for personal, professional and business purposes with over 1 billion monthly active users. It also offers various features such as feed, stories, reels, IGTV, direct messages and shop. Now let's move to next step, that is how to use Instagram. First of all, what you need to do is go to your app store and download your app if you haven't. Go to the app store, then search Instagram in the search bar. After this icon pops up, tap on Instagram, then tap on the install icon, and then after installing it, open up your app, and then you'll have to create an account or login if you already have an account. So you can also create an account using your emails or phone number. After you're logged in, what you can do is tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your page to upload any content. So tap on the plus icon and then choose any photo or videos you like to post. Then you can also tap on next. Again, tap on next at the bottom here. Then you can add any caption you like or anything you want to write. I'm just gonna write hi. So you can also tag any people you want, add location, also add music, and then after you're done with it, tap on share and then it's done. So this is how you can post your videos or photos. Now you can see the search bar at the bottom, the search icon. Tap on that to find your friends or any kind of posts or content you like. After that, you can see the reels icon here right next to the plus icon. So tap on that to watch reels. So after that, you can tap on the profile icon right next to the reel icon. So after you tap on that, your profile page is gonna open, and then after your page is open, you can see the edit profile option here. So you can edit your name, username and pictures. You can edit everything, and that is done. So this is how you can use Instagram. I hope this video helped you out, guys. If it did, like and comment down below. If you have any questions, see you in the next video. Bye.